Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add and remove widgets on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. If you want to add a widget, what you need to do is use your home screen for that. So you want to press and hold your finger on the empty space of your home screen. So let's say I'm gonna press and hold over here. Then after that you will find this widgets button over here. And now we will load some pretty interesting widgets over here that you can add. However, what you might need to do is go to Android widgets instead in order to find widgets created by apps. So over here, if you want to add something, then what you need to do is, for instance, press on the button, on the widget itself. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. You can simply tap on it, and now you can also reposition it. So in order to reposition it, you can press and hold your finger, and then you can drag it somewhere else. And once you are done, you can press this check button here. Now, in order to remove the widget, what you need to do is press and hold your finger on the widget, and then you have the remove button, and there you go, the widget is now gone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.